Dear students, today in this class we will discuss 5 marks matrices question. So let us begin with the first example. So it is given that if A, B and C are three matrices, we have to compute A plus B and B minus C. After that we have to verify A plus B minus C equal to A plus B minus C. So this property we have to verify here. So let us find first A plus B. A plus B equal to so matrix A and B corresponding element we have to add it. That is first element is added with the first element, second element is added with the second element, like that. So we get 1 plus 3 as a 4, second element 2 minus 1 plus 1 we get it. Next minus 3 plus 2 minus 1, 5 plus 4 9, next 0 plus 2 2, 0 plus 2 2, then 2 plus 5 7, 1 plus 2 it is a 3, minus 1 plus 0 minus 1, 1 plus 3 we get it as a 4. These are A plus B matrix elements. Similarly we will find B minus C. B minus C means matrix B and C we have to do a subtraction. 3 minus 4, 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Now corresponding element we have to subtract. So next minus 1 minus 1 it will become so minus 2. Next 2 minus 2 0. Next 4 minus 0 4, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 5 minus 2 it is a 3. Next 2 minus 1 1, 0 minus of minus 2 plus 2 we get it. 3 minus 3 we get it as a 0. So this is our B minus C. Now we'll find a LHS. So LHS equal to, it is a plus B minus C. A plus B minus C. A is a given matrix. A is, it is a 1 2 minus 3 5 0 2, next 1 minus 1 1 is matrix A, plus as it is B minus C. B minus C we have to write it minus 1 minus 2 0 4 minus 1 3 1 2 0. So now we have to do addition, because here it is a addition operation. 1 minus 1, so we get it as a 0. 2 minus 2 0, minus 3 plus 0 minus 3, 5 plus 4 9, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 2 plus 3 5. Next 1 plus 1 2, minus 1 plus 2 plus 1, 1 plus 0 1 we get it. So this is a LHS simplification. We call it as a equation 1. Next we will solve RHS part. So RHS is, it is A plus B minus C. So already we have calculated A plus B. So this is a plus B simplification. We'll substitute here. So A plus B is 4 1 minus 1, 9 2 7. Next 3 minus 1 it is a 4. Further we have a minus, it is minus we write it. Then matrix C will substitute. C is this matrix, so we'll substitute that. 4 1 2 0 3 2 1 minus 2 3 1 minus 2 3. Then further we have to simplify this one. 4 minus 4 0, 1 minus 1 0, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, 9 minus 0 9, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 7 minus 2 5. Next 3 minus 1 2 it is. Then minus 1 minus into minus plus 2 plus 1 we get it. So 4 minus 3 1 here. We call it as a equation 2. So equation 1 simplification and equation 2 simplification. So RHS part is the same. Therefore from equation number 1 and 2 we can say that LHS equal to RHS. So this is a 5 marks example from matrices. So basic mathematical algebraic operation you are going to get it. In this particular example we have to calculate a plus b is a first step, and further we have to calculate b minus c. This is a second step. So then we have to take a LHS part and we have to simplify, and take a RHS part and simplify it, and we have to verify that LHS is equal to RHS. So these are the steps involved in solving this particular question. So this is a first page. Take a screenshot of this. This is a second page. Okay, we'll move to our next example. So this is also algebraic operation. So matrix transformation we have to find. So here matrix A is given, matrix B is given. So we have to find AB complement equal to B complement into A complement. So here matrix A is given, matrix A is 0 1 2. So we have to find A dash. A dash means, so corresponding row we have to take it as a column. So it is a first row is a 0, first column it will become, that is here it is a column matrix, it will become a row matrix. Very simple. A dash is if it is a row then it is a column we have to take it, or else corresponding row we have to take it as a column. Similarly B equal to 1 5 7. This is a row matrix, so B dash is a column matrix. We are going to get it as 1 5 7 1 5 7. So now we will find the LHS part. So LHS equal to AB dash, AB dash. So I have taken a bracket. So A we will take it, A is 0 1 2. Then B we have to take it 1 5 7. Then dash we have to take it. So we have to perform matrix multiplication. So first row 0 is there. So we will observe that matrix multiplication is first row is multiplied by first column. We have to write an answer here. Second row is multiplied by first column. So like this, first row first column, first row second column, first row third column. So here we have to write it 1 2 3 here. Second row first column, second row second column, second row third column. We have to write answer here. And third row first column, third row second column, third row third column. So we have to write answer over here. So easy method it is. We'll do this. So we get first row as 0 into 1 0, 0 into 5 0, 0 into 7 0, we get it. Further 1 into 1 1, 1 into 5 5, 1 into 7, 7. Next 2 is multiplied with every element. 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 5, 10, then 2 into 7, 14. So dash we have to take it. So transpose we have to take it. Transpose is first row, it will become first column, second row, second column, third row, it will become third column. So we get it, first row as a first column, second row as second column, 1, 1, 5, 7, third row as a third column. We will call it as a equation 1 here. We call it as a equation 1. Then we will find a RHS, B dash into A dash. So B dash is 1, 5, 7. A dash is, we have calculated, it is 0, 1, 2. As we are earlier defined, matrix multiplication we have to perform. First row is multiplied by first column, first row with a second column, first row with a third column. So similarly next we have to do. So 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 2, 2 we get it. Next 5 is multiplied with every element. 5 into 0, 0, 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 2, 10. Next 7 is multiplied with a row. 7 into 0, 0, 7 into 1, 7, 7 to the 14. So I call it as a equation 2. So equation 1 is, it is a 0, 1, 2, 0, 5, 10, 0, 7, 14. Equation 2 is, it is all the elements are same. Therefore from equation 1 and 2 will observe that LHS is equal to the RHS. LHS equal to the RHS. So this is a solution we are going to get it here. So here 5 marks of matrices questions, basic algebraic operations you are going to get it here. So as we have solved in first example and second example, so you can practice these examples. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you once again.